Now to WPBF 25 News exclusive tonight. The Treasure Coast receptionist who accused a prominent Vero Beach attorney of sexual harassment, only to see that criminal case get thrown out, and is now filing a civil complaint.
Tonight, she is only talking to WPBF 25's Angela Rozier.
Christina Pettigrew wants to share her story, even though she admits it's not easy.
I just want him to be held accountable for what he did to me and my family.
Back in June, she told Vero Beach police prominent attorney Charles Sullivan Sr. made sexual advances and touched her inappropriately while she worked as a receptionist at his son's law firm.
I never thought going to this job that this would happen to me, but it did. And that's why I'm here today.
An investigation was launched, and she was given a wire to wear to record their conversations.
Basically, what gave you the impression that that I wanted any type of relationship with you?
You didn't give me that impression, but you didn't give me a contrary impression.
Sullivan's attorney says the conversations on the tapes were taken out of context.
The state attorney heard the whole entire conversation. We heard the whole conversation. But the bottom line is, at some point, Mr. Sullivan just started telling her anything he would to just end the conversation. And Ms. Pettigrew kept on with a script, kept picking until she got him to say what she thought was enough and what law enforcement thought was enough.
Governor Rick Scott turned the case over to the Brevard County State Attorney's Office to avoid any appearance of conflict of interest. Prosecutors conducted an investigation and decided not to file charges and dismiss the case.
One of the things that we're doing is seeking justice for her and her family because she suffered. Her husband has suffered, and their relationship has suffered because of this.
She didn't know what to do and didn't know how to respond or how to react.
He didn't do anything wrong. He didn't force himself on her. He might have done some things, you know, that people don't like or approve of, but the things he did were all consensual.
Well, she says he forced himself on her, and she said no.
It's ridiculous. And the tapes don't bear it out. The evidence doesn't bear it out. And you've got to believe in this day and age that if the state attorney believed that statement, if the state attorney believed that to be true, they wouldn't have dropped this case.
He devastated my life.
Pettigrew has now filed a civil complaint. No court date has been set at this time. Sullivan's attorney says this case has always been about money, but Pettigrew says that's not true. She says it's about accountability. Angela Rozier, WPBF 25 News.